Philippians 1:27. Whatever happens, conduct yourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ. Then, whether I come and see you or only hear about you in my absence, I will know that you stand firm in the one Spirit, striving together as one for the faith of the gospel. Today, pray that Cascades would be united in the Holy Spirit. Our enemy wants to divide us because it is easier for him to have victory over us if we are fighting amongst ourselves. However, pray that we would lay our differences down on the altar as a sacrifice to the glory of God. Pray that our unity would be so unique that the world marvels at it in wonder. Go together in prayer.